Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing today? We are in Lalibertad, and as you can tell back behind me, it is raining hard. We was heading up toward the waterfall today. We're gonna go check out a couple of canyons, and needless to say, we've already gotten rain, and we just called over there to the place, and it is raining over there. So we figured we just go ahead and come over here and get some vegetables and some chicken, and probably wind up heading back home, guys. Yeah, it is coming down. It rained all night. Yeah, this is Wednesday, so there's a lot of people that comes here selling all their vegetables. But I don't know about today. I mean, we've had a lot of rain over the past 12 hours. Past 12 hours, I bet we had 10 inches of rain. I mean, it really rained hard here. And as you can tell, it is still raining. Okay, here we go in the rain. Get my blogging gear wet. Oh, they're bringing in. Hello. How you doing? What they got, honey? Corn? Huh? They got red rice? What are you gonna get anyway? Yeah, considering the rain, there's still a lot of people here selling their vegetables. Yeah, I can't remember the name of that waterfall, but it looks to be a beautiful place. It's on the other side of the Enchanted River. We was going to go there yesterday, but we decided not to. We figured we'd go ahead and make it a trip today. But we have rain, and I don't know what kind of roads are up there. I don't know what to expect. Honey, get a couple of those right there. Oh, there's not? All right. Got lots of ropes for the cows and pigs and chickens. You gonna get a couple avocados? Yeah, right over here. They got avocados over there. I don't know how much they want for them. She's the one buying. She's the shopper. I don't have any idea what that guy was telling me. Agnes is the shopper, so she's the one that makes the decisions. Yeah, there's, oh my God, look at all the potatoes. Well, the rain stopped a little bit. Oh, we got chickens. Now what else? What else you gonna get? Chicken? Okay. Wow. I wonder if any of these clothes will fit me. Hello. Morning. How you doing? Yeah, only problem living here in the Philippines, everything's made small, not made to fit me, unfortunately. I wish they did. Well, I gotta go shopping in a special place. Dumaguete City, Lee Plaza. They have a lot of stuff for foreigners. Well, got donuts. Well, wow, look at the eggs. 6 pesos each, $6.50 for a large. Yeah, that's a good price. Eggs generally run anywhere from $7 to $7.50 an egg in a lot of places. Okay, just go. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Oh my goodness. Lalibertad, Negros Oriental. We got the pharmacy directly across, Lalibertad, Negros. Agnes said she wants to get chicken over here. We keep from getting run over. Cebuana. That is the bus depot right over there. Oh, look at all the chickens. We got fried chicken here. Hello. Chickens look good. Lechon chickens. Yeah, we got lots of rain coming. I was not counting on this today. We have a full tank of gas and we was ready to go. Get them? Okay. Gonna wait in the rain. Got a traffic jam. Oh no. Oh well. Lalibertad's a busy place all of a sudden. Watching, honey, this guy, I don't know what he's done. He's weaving all over the road. still on the other side of the road trying to figure out what to do. I made a break for it. Yeah, I was not counting on the rain today. That's one thing I was not expecting. What's somebody doing over here? I don't know what they're doing. Honey, you wet? Okay, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to our channel. We cannot do it without your assistance. Now be sure to give us a thumbs up for our videos, and we will catch you on the next video. Peace out.